Alright, we are still looking at how to create 3D mockups. This time we want to use another platform. The first one we've looked at DIYbookcovers.com. This one is also a web-based platform. So let's go to our browser, and this time around mockup, not spelling it well, mockupbro.com. You can see it, www.mockupbro.com. So click on it and give it a little time. The platform will come up. Good. So you see it says create also mockups without any graphic software. So first you pick a mockup template, you upload your design and download it. So if you look down, you see the different mockups. For example, this you want to do for CD cover. Sorry, it has gone there. CD cover took me there straight, but I also browse through. You see the different ones. This for hard book cover, for phone, for iPad mockup. So you just go through and explore different ones. You can do different ones. And if you still look down here, you see this is just one out of how many. So if you go to the second page, it shows you more. You scroll down. So the way you do it is that any design concept you want, you just click on it. For example, you just click on it. Which one do we do now? So I'm just wondering which one we'll just do. Okay, anyone, just go through. Let us take this phone since we've done okay, let me take this CD plate, or do I use phone? Okay, let's take this phone for example. Sorry, let's use this shopping bag. We'll take this one, click on it and give it a little time to load. Yeah, so this is the concept. Yeah, so the next thing, you scroll down now to put your own design, upload. You click on upload. So already you should have designed what you want to put there before national design. So let me take this photograph of my friend and I. Just click on it and then click on done when you are through. So now you see the image is not well balanced, so I can leave it like this, or I use my fingers to reduce them and place it if that's what I want. So that's why when you are designing, you factor in all this stuff and all that. So when you are through, just click on this down, crop and continue, down, click on it. So we'll give it a little time. It's going to crop it and place it on that. Good, you see it there. So it has placed it up here. Notice you have these spaces because of how the image was. So, and then that is basically all. So to download it, you now come down and click on download, and then to download it into your phone gallery, and then from there you can access it for whatever you wish to make use of it, use it for. So it has done it. You can see downloading. To open, just click on open, and then you see it. So it's already, so you can see it done. So try your hands. There are different aspects of it. Try your hands and let's see what you can come up with. Thank you.